Hi students, I'm Sureka Miss. Last period we have learned about number 9. Okay, and now we will practice numbers 1 to 9. Okay, so first children, let us read all these numbers one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more time we will read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I hope children you have practiced all these numbers writing in your notebook. Okay, now let us see the words, means the number name of all the numbers 1 to 9. One number. How we spell the number 1? O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. Okay children, go to all these number names of numbers 1 to 9, from 1 to 9. Okay children, and later I will give you the exercise of number and their number names. Okay, now we are doing the new topic from a Bal Bharati textbook, that is practice 1 to 9. Practice 1 to 9. Look at the textbook, page number 17. Page number 17. Okay, now I will explain you what is written here first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are symbols. Used for numbers. Children, now I will explain you what are symbols. Why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called symbols. Okay, they are called digits. Means these numbers are called digits. Why they are called digits? Because they are single. Okay, 1 is single, 2 is single, 3 is single, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are single. That's why they are called digits. Okay. And why now they are called symbols? Why? Now symbol means to guess anything. Like suppose when you are going in the hospital, yes, what you see above symbol of the hospital? What symbol you can see? Yes, look here, the symbol of the hospital is like this. Okay, so we say that this is the hospital. Yes or no? Yes. If mountains symbols you have to show, mountains, so we'll show small mountains. Suppose you want to show the symbol of the river, so I will show river flowing like this. Okay, suppose you want to show the symbol of addition, so I will show addition plus sign. Okay, so these are the symbols. Okay, now in maths, why 1 to 9 numbers? This 1 to 9 numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why they are called symbols? Because using these numbers, all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Using these numbers, we can form the other number. Same way in English, we learn letters A, B, C, D. Yes or no? A, B, C, D, E, F, G till Z. Okay, now in letters, these letters are symbols in English. These all letters are symbols in English. Same way in maths, 1 to 9 numbers. They are the symbols. In maths, 1 to 9, they are the symbols. Okay. Now look here. A, B, C, D. Why they are called the symbols? These letters. Because using these letters, we can form a word. Now suppose C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Okay. Now C is one letter. Okay. A is another letter. And T is another letter. So using these three letters, you form a word. That is why it is a word. Okay. We said that these letters, by using these three letters, we are forming a word cat. Now in maths also same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By using these numbers, we can form the many numbers. Like suppose for example, number 14. Okay. 14 number you will study afterwards. Okay. But for example, I am taking number 14. Number 14, this is one number. Okay. And this is one number. So this is one digit and this is two digit. Okay. One digit and this is another digit. 4 is another digit. So using these two digits, which number is formed? 14 number. Understood? Yes. So this is the difference between the digit, number. And why we call number here? Why we call number 1, number 2? Why you say number? Because we are counting. Okay. When one ball is there, you say 1. That is one ball. This is the one ball. When 2 is there, you can see two objects. While explaining all the numbers, I was showing you all the objects also. Yes or no? So we were counting the objects. Then we were telling these are 3 objects. These are 3 apples. Yes? So while counting, we come to know that these are in number 3, in number 4, in number 5. Okay, that is why we were calling them numbers. Okay, but later, these are the symbols which we are using to form other numbers. Okay, symbols used for numbers. Same way now, this explanation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are symbols used for numbers, which I explained you in number 14. Okay, followed? They are called digits. Like letters in English. In maths, they are called digits. Practice writing the digits. Now we are going to practice these digits. Okay, 1 to 9. First, let us write number 1. Number 1. Number 2. While saying, we say number 2, but they are digits to use to form other numbers. Whether it is 2-digit number or 3-digit number or 4-digit number. Okay? 3. Okay? Then 4. 5. 5, 6. You have to complete the boxes further. Okay, I am just showing you that you have to how to practice writing the digits. 7, 8. This is number 9. Number 9 you can write like this also. So you have to complete the incomplete part of this. I showed you how to write. Okay. Now we will write your numbers. Write numbers in the blank spaces. Okay. Now we have learned numbers 1 to 9. So blank spaces you have to fill the numbers there. 1, 2. Number 3 is there. So after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, children. Now we will do the other exercise. Count and circle the correct number. Count and circle the correct number. Now these are parrots. How many parrots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many parrots? 4. So here number 4 is circled. You can see? Yes. One example is shown for us how to do. Now we will go to the second one. Now here sparrow is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many sparrows? 6. So from 3, 7, 6, 8. Which number you will circle? 6. Which we count and we got the objects in number. Now here. How many peacocks here, children? 1, 2. So circle number 2 here. Ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to circle number 9. Crow. How many crows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 na? So circle number 5 here. Owl. How many owls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 owls. Circle number 8. Now children, here what we have learned? We have circled the objects from number 1 to 9. From number 1 to 9. We have counted the objects and we have circled the right number from the given numbers. Okay. Next question here. Count and write. Count and write. Now bird is there. How many wings does a bird have? How many wings bird have? 2. 1, 2. Rainbow. How many colors does a rainbow have? 7. Auto rickshaw. How many wheels does a rickshaw have? 3. 1, 2, 3. Slate. How many corners does a slate have? Corners means what? This part. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many legs does a cockroach have? Count the legs of the cockroach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many legs? 6 legs. Now this is a flower. How many petals does the flower have? How many petals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here number 5. How many legs does an octopus have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many legs? 8. How many handles does a cup have? How many handles you can see here? 1. So write here number 1. Okay, children. Now next question here. Count and write. Count and write. Now see here, column is given. Flashes. Column is given. Picture, numbers in digits, in words. Okay, your picture of dots. This column you have to write the digit, and here in words. In words means their number name is given of the number. Okay, so how many dots here? First one is 1. Okay, 1. So we wrote here number 1 digit. Number 1 in words, O-N-E, 1. 2 dots, so write digit 2 here, and T-W-O, 2. 3 dots, write 3 number here. Words, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4 dots, write number 4, F-O-U-R, 4. 5 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here number 5, F-I-V-E, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write here 6th number, S-I-X, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number, S-E-V-E-N, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many dots? 8 dots. Okay, and 8 in number name, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write your number 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Okay children, now here what we have written? Picture is also there, number is also there, and you have to write the number name also. Okay, now let us do some more exercise of numbers 1 to 9. Of numbers 1 to 9. Okay children, I hope it is very easy. Practice 1 to 9. Write the numbers from 1 to 9 in serial order. 1 to 9 in serial order. Now this is the caterpillar. We have learned number 1 to 9. So we have to write in serial order. How we said just now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got? Question number 2. Write the numbers from 1 to 9 in reverse order. Reverse order means what? Backward. Okay, you have to make it ulta. Yes. Now here you wrote straight from 1 to 9. Yes. Now your reverse order from 9 you must write. From 9 you must write. That is the reverse order. So how you will write from number 9? After number 9 what will come here? 8. Here 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes? Got the reverse order? This was the serial order, and this is the reverse order of 1 to 9. Now here, color as many objects as the given number. Now here objects are given and here numbers are given. So which number is given? So now here 4 number is given. Yes, you have to color only 4 objects. Okay, now here cups are given and we have to color only 4 cups. So we will color only 4 cups here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next butterflies. What number is given here? Number 6. Number 6. Okay, so we will color number 6 butterflies here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now cars, and we have to color 3 cars here. So count and color the 3 cars. 2, 3. Okay. Next 8. 8 design you will color here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now 9 shapes, like these shapes you have to color here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Number 5. Number 5 shapes like you have to color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Yes? Okay, children. Look at this exercise. All of you. Number is given. So, what number is given? That much pictures only we have colored. Okay? Next question we will see. Question number next. Match the numbers and the dots. Yeah? Now in this line numbers are given 1 to 9 numbers. And here dots are given. Yes? Now we have to match the number with the dots. Match the numbers with the dot. Number 1, see here. Already done. Number 2. So where 2 dots you can see? Here. So you matched 2 like this. Number 3. 3 dots here. So you match it. You have to count. Okay. 4. Where you can see 4 dots here. So match it. 5. 5 dots you can see here. Match. 6 here. 7. 7 here. 8. 9. Got all of you? Huh? Here what you have done? You have matched the numbers with the dots. Okay? Count the objects and encircle the correct number. Huh? Now here picture of the some boys are there. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And numbers 5, 6, 7, 8. While after counting, how many we got? 7. So you have to encircle means to circle. Circle number 7. Parrots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where is the 6th number? This is the 6th number. Circle it. Write the corresponding number for each number name. Okay. Now this TWO2, 2 number. Yes. SIX 6. What is the number of 6? Like this. FOUR. What is the number? F4. Okay. 7. 9. NINE 9. 1. ONE 1. EIGHT 8. THREE 3. FIVE 5. Okay, children? Yes? Look at this. All the exercise from starting onwards till here. Now here, children, observe the picture carefully. This is our Balbharti textbook exercise. Now your picture is given. Yeah, table is there, bag is there, photo frame is there, ball, bat, all the toys are there lying on the floor. Okay, and here one question is asked: count the objects and write their numbers in the given boxes. Count the objects. These all are objects. Now which objects to count? They are given here. See a picture and the box. You have to count. Now this is a doll. Yes. So we have to see how many dolls are there. In the picture. Now first we will see dolls. A doll you can see from here. No. One doll. I got 1, 2. So how many dolls? 2. So write here number 2. School bag. See the picture. How many school bags you can see? 1, 2. So write number 2. Pencil. You can see a pencil? No. So floor 1, 2, 3. 3 pencils. Car. From up you will start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many? 5 cars. Ball. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many balls? 4 balls. Bats. 1. Any more bat you can see? No. So only one bat. Write number 1. Okay? Yes? Here what? Picture is given. Many things are there in number. You have to count the objects and write their total number in the box. Now in the same way, one more exercise we will see. Okay. Now this is the picture. Count and write the number of each. Okay. Now here fruits are there. Apple, mango, chicken, parrot, chicks is there. Okay. Strawberry you can see. So we have to count one by one and write the total number. First we will start with the apple. Yeah. First line we will see apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many apples? 4. Chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5. So write your number 5. Now mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 mangoes. More. Parrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many parrots? 6 parrots. Now strawberry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many strawberries? 7. Okay. 7 strawberries. So here also you counted the objects and we wrote the total number of the objects. Okay children, I hope you all have understood. Practice 1 to 9 by solving the different exercises. Okay. Look at the blackboard children. Once again I will tell you number 1 to 9 are the digits. Okay. Means they are used like a symbols to form the number. Okay. Now after 9 number 10 is coming. After 9 number 10 is coming. Number 10. 1 and 0 10. But before learning 10 we will learn about number 0 which comes before 1. Okay. Our next topic will be a introduction of 0. Introduction of 0. So before learning number 10 we will learn number 0. How 0 comes in maths. Okay. Because 0 is also important to frame the number, to form the number like these digits all. Understood, children? I hope you all have understood. Practice 1 to 9. There are number names 1 to 9. And I will give you the exercise in your notebook to copy it and practice writing numbers 1 to 9. Okay? Thank you.